Welcome this video title Modern Guest House Plants Blended Comfort and Style. Introducing in recent years the connect of a guest house have elevated beyond the traditional spare bedroom. Modern guest house plan have amenities have a testament to, to innovation and the charge need of house owner that design not only often to comfortable space of guest but also survey and multifunctional style extension of the main resident. We will explore the key material of modern gas house plants, focus on those innovate feature adaptability and the harmony then brave to the overall property. Indoor outdoor living modern guest home plan often priority the seamless traditional between indoor and outdoor space. Indoor patio deep to even smart gardening and result integrate into the design provide guests with an opportunity to enjoy the natural surround. This indoor outdoor connected enhance the overall experience the shape in the guest house